Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to activate quiet mode on Instagram. So if you want to silence a notification from Instagram and you don't want disturbed by unwanted notification, you can just enable the quiet mode, and this is what you are going to do to activate that. First, you can just launch the Instagram app on your phone, and after the Instagram is open, now you can go to your profile, click on the photo at the bottom right corner, and in here you can now just go to the Instagram settings and activity by clicking on this hamburger icon at the top right corner. And on the settings and activity page, you can just tap on these notifications under the how you use Instagram, and there this is, you can see a quiet mode. So when you enable the quiet mode, it will automatically mute a notification at night or whenever you need to focus. So you can just click on this quiet mode option, and in here just enable this. So quiet mode or sleep mode it is called. Just tap on this to enable, so your notification will be muted during the times that you choose, and people will see that you are in sleep mode. So you can just set the start time in here and also the end time. Click on OK, and also you can choose the days. For example, I'm going to go with every day. Now you can just tap on save. Just like that, it will be saved. So I'm going to set the time to now to show you how it will look like when you are in the sleep mode or quiet mode on your profile. So let's go back to my profile to see how it will look like. And as you guys can see, so when my friends open my profile, they will see that I'm in sleep or quiet mode. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can activate the quiet or sleep mode on Instagram to silence notifications at night or at certain times. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.